Good evening and thanks for joining us. Attorney General Gentner Drummond is joining a national legal battle over who can compete in girls and women's sports. He's urging the U.S. Supreme Court to allow states to enforce laws that limit participation. Fox 25's Jaya Brown has the story.
Attorney General Drummond has filed briefs alongside other states in support of Idaho and West Virginia, two places where laws restricting girls in sports to biological females were recently struck down by federal court.
I did have to swim against a transgender woman, and she did beat me by a significant distance. I want to say she beat everybody by, I think it was over 30 seconds.
Lily Hammond says she loves swimming, especially competitive, but adds that there are some things that are unfair and uncomfortable about competitive sports right now.
To think that they were in like the same locker room that I was in, like it was just really frustrating to see during my race.
Hammond is talking about transgenders in sports, athletes competing against peers who don't share their biological makeup.
This is a no-brainer. It is intuitively obvious to the American people that biological boys shouldn't be playing girls' sports.
But recent rulings found those restrictions could violate the Equal Protection Clause. Oklahoma Attorney General Gentner Drummond argues that a recent high court ruling undermines state authority and the original purpose of Title IX.
From now on, women's sports will be only for women.
And that's to ensure equal opportunities for female athletes. This debate has been going on for years. We spoke to a former OU track athlete back in 2022 who expressed the sentiments shared by those who support sports for all still today.
I believe that all young women deserve the opportunity to excel at whatever sport they choose to be passionate about, and I don't think it should be taken away from them, especially for biological reasons that they can't overcome.
In a statement, Drummond said that we have a responsibility to protect fair competition for our female athletes. These federal decisions threaten that. Oklahoma passed its own Save Women's Sports Act in 2022, requiring school athletic teams to be separated by biological sex. Now the Supreme Court has agreed to hear both appeals, Little versus KOKH out of Idaho and West Virginia, VBPJ, during its upcoming term. The decision will set a national precedent on whether states can enforce these laws or if schools must follow gender identity and team eligibility. Oklahoma lawmakers say the Supreme Court decision could directly impact school districts, universities, coaches, and student athletes across the Sooner State.
That was Jaya Brown reporting. The High Court is expected to hear arguments this upcoming term.